Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. Today we're going to be looking at our 54011 7-piece master grease gun accessory kit. This versatile grease gun accessory set is the perfect addition to our grease guns or any grease guns you may already own. Whether it be pneumatic, manual, the universal design means they're suitable nearly for any grease fitting, and you have a quick connect installation design. These adapters can operate at a working pressure of 10,000 psi. This set includes a press-on 90-degree coupler that provides access to grease fittings at odd angles, and you have the slide-on 90-degree coupler that locks onto fittings that may be hard to access in low-profile situations. And then you have your 360-degree swivel coupler that gives you full swivel range, plus a 2-inch extension, and a locking sleeve. You have a straight extension here, perfect for recessed fittings, and a needle nozzle access for flush and hydraulic fittings. You have a rubber-tipped dispenser nozzle that works perfect with grease plugs, spindles, and capped ports. The hose adds flexibility and extra reach to allow you to access fittings in any situation. These adapters feature a quick connect design, uses a fixed zip fitting to connect, and it's got a covered sleeve here that allows you to just pop right on your grease gun coupler like that, and then you can just attach it right onto your fitting like so and grease away. That's our 54011 7-piece grease gun accessory kit, an extremely versatile and well organized adapter kit. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.